Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with some project shares. I made a few cards this weekend. It's only Saturday, but I made several cards on yesterday and today, and I wanted to share those with you. So first off, I used this 49th and Market blush mini collection. It's the vintage artistry colors and blush. So it's a pretty cute little set. I think I purchased this from Frank Garcia, and you had some cut aparts, not cut aparts, but punch outs, I guess, ephemera, and just some really pretty paper. So I made this card here, and I used a little bit of twine for the little tag there. Super simple. Use some little dewdrop thingies I have in my stash, and I really think this card came out really cute. It says, "Love yourself first, then everything will fall into place." And that was from the actual collection. This whole card was. That's that. And then I received a box of goodies from Dawn with Dare to Be Creative, and she had some paper napkins in there. So it just kind of sparked my interest in using paper napkins, the ones that she provided in my winnings, and also one that I had. So this is the one napkin that I had. The color is really kind of getting faded out here. It's really super light pink. So what I did was I put it on a piece of black cardstock, and it made it really look black and white. And I have this hello here. So this is the card front for a card. I haven't completed the card yet, but this is what I'm going to do quite a lot in the future, because I just don't have the space to maintain the cards that I make. So I'll make the card front, and then when I'm ready to use the card, I will complete the rest of the card. Or if I'm going to donate some cards, I'll have a bunch of card fronts to assemble cards for. So that's that one. And then I purchased these stickers from Dollar Tree. I thought they were really pretty, kind of, wispy looking and just really pretty. And so I just made a super simple card front using those. This is a paper from my stash, and I just used two of the little flowers. They have a little pop-up dimensional piece, and they're actually like made out of acetate. So I thought that turned out really cute. And then Dawn gave me these stickers, and I thought they were super cute, and I just really fell in love with one of the stickers. And so I just kind of made a cute little card front with him, and it's just just adorable. His little eye looking at you. And then I just super simple cut out a circle, put him in, and then just use some gems just to kind of bump it up a little bit. But it's a super simple card. I think any kid would love this card. And so now let's get to the cards that I made with some napkins that Dawn gave me. And here's the first one. Super pretty. All I did was use the napkin. It's cardstock. I think I put the edges on. I think I colored the edges with some Tim Holtz Distress ink. I think it was I don't even remember, vintage something. I don't know. I'm sorry. But then I just put some embellishments on it. Just super simple. I mean, this will be an adorable note card later on. If I want to change it to a birthday card, I just need to add a sentiment. But I just fell in love with the floral on that napkin, and I thought it made an adorable card. So then another napkin that she gave me was this one here, and I just adhered it to white cardstock first, and then put it on, layered it with this orange, and then used some, I think these are Gina Marie little gems here, and then a thanks from my stash. I just love these colors. I just love orange. So anytime I can use orange and green, I'm a super happy camper. I used some Mod Podge to put this down, and it did pretty well. I think it's really pretty. And then one other card front. It's another napkin. And I just used a happy birthday that I had in my stash already cut out, and layered it on this green cardstock. It's super pretty. And last but not least, this card here with the yellow. Once again, this can be used just as a note card or just any type of situation where you're just going to write your sentiment on the inside. But I just love how pretty that napkin is, and it has a little bee here, just adorable. So then I had also purchased these stickers from Dollar Tree. Once again, they're kind of like acetate with the piece of pop-up on it to make it dimensional. Can't think tonight, I don't know why. And so a while back, I'm pretty sure that Crafty Bean Tina gave me this paper pad. I saw it on her channel and thought it was really nice. And so I also purchased this stamps from Simon Says Stamps a while back. It says, I accept people the way they are because that's what Jesus did for me. So super cute stamp set. And so I made a tag. I don't make too many tags, so here's my tag, and move that stuff out of the way. And then here are the Dollar Tree stickers down at the bottom, and then I used some pearls. I had flat back pearls, and I just stamped it on there. I thought it was really nice, and I used some of this really pretty seam binding that I got. That's what it's called, seam binding. Super cute. I think it turned out great. So, like I said, I just wanted to share with you a few things that I made. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I have the tag here and the cards. Let's see, this card. And I'm trying to get them all in frame. This one and this one. And this card front. And I think that's it. And then this one. But I do believe out of all the things that I made, I think I like the tag the best. What do you think? Let me know below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.